Ford is reviving a beloved era of Mustang heritage with the all-new 2026 Mustang FX Package. Inspired by the Fox body Mustangs of the 1980s and early 90s, this package delivers a stylish blend of nostalgia and contemporary performance, aimed squarely at enthusiasts who crave character and capability. Design: a tribute to the past. The FX Package stands out immediately with its exclusive Adriatic blue metallic paint, an eye-catching teal that echoes classic shades from the Fox body days. The white wheels, grille surround, badges, and mirror caps create a bold contrast, giving the Mustang a vintage flair that turns heads without feeling dated. Adding to the retro aesthetic, the interior features unique plaid cloth inserts on the seats, a pattern rarely seen in modern performance cars. Ford didn't just rehash old ideas, it reimagined them with care and precision. Performance: modern muscle beneath the nostalgia. While the FX Package focuses mainly on visual upgrades, it's only available on the GT trim with the 5.0-liter V8 engine, a naturally aspirated powerhouse delivering up to 480 horsepower. That means this retro-inspired ride still packs serious muscle under the hood. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, and both coupes and convertibles are eligible. While it's not a performance upgrade per se, the FX Mustang still benefits from the GT's sharp handling and iconic V8 roar. This is not a limited edition model, but the FX Package is expected to be produced in relatively small numbers. That gives it a degree of exclusivity without making it inaccessible. It's an enthusiast choice, something special for those who appreciate Mustang history and style. The 2026 Ford Mustang FX Package isn't just a gimmick, it's a thoughtful celebration of one of the Mustang's most underrated eras. For buyers who want a muscle car that doesn't look like every other modern sports coupe, this FX Package brings individuality, an attitude, and a welcome dose of nostalgia, all backed by true V8 performance. Ellie?